State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for York County in south central Pennsylvania until impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs and trees. Locations include Lancaster, Millersville, Willow Street, Leola, Paradise, Strasburg, Coryville, Gap, Delta, Wakefield, Brogue, and Leacock. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this severe thunderstorm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster and York. The National Weather Service in State College has issued a flash flood warning for central Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania until 10:45 p.m. At 8:35 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in the next 2 hours. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lancaster, Millersville, Willow Street, Leola, Leacock, Safe Harbor, Shanks Ferry, Bearville, Lapeter, Conestoga, Bird in Hand, Smoketown, Franklin and Marshall College, Millersville University and Dutch Wonderland. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following county: Lancaster, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in State College has issued